let's take a look at the progress of this Dawson flat. Okay guys, let's take a look at the false ceiling for the aircon trunking. Okay, so this part here will be covered up by the feature wall, and then this is the part where I've constructed a drop ceiling. So it covers up or it conceals the aircon trunking, which is inside here and underneath the beam. So you can see here I've removed the two top doors of the existing DB cabinet so that this false ceiling can go all the way in, which I think has got a nicer finish. And all this will be covered up by the new shoe cabinet. Okay, so it will look nicer this way. So there's one more aircon lower, right, blowing towards the living area. Right. So this is actually like the false ceiling, right? Drop down. It's as wide as the countertop, which is over here. There'll be two lights below here. Okay, so this whole thing has been boxed up, right, just to cover up the wall tiles also. Okay, so inside here is all the aircon trunking running across, and it's all the way out to the aircon latch. Okay, so this is the partition wall that divides the living area here, and to also create another common bedroom. Okay. So this is the entrance to the bedroom. So everything will be flush. There will be a new door. It will be flush with this partition wall. Right. This wall is made up or constructed from gypsum board material, and there's a rock wool for sound insulation inside the partition. So if you realize, the corner of this partition wall is actually slanted at a 45-degree. Okay, going up all the way. One of the reasons why this corner of this partition wall is diagonal, because I think because this is the main entrance, so when you walk in, this corner here is not facing directly at you. Right? If it's a right angle, I think the feel will not be so nice. Okay, because it's like pointing at you, the corner of this partition wall. So I suggested constructing this partition wall diagonally. So there's another drop ceiling here, entrance to the bedrooms, and right after the master bedroom entrance. Okay, this is also to hide the aircon trunking that is running from the common bedroom. Okay, to hide all the trunking into the this box up here and into the aircon dash behind. So for the common bathroom, this L wall have been overlaid with tiles. Okay, so the original pattern tiles was here. So instead of just overlaying this wall, I also overlaid this wall. Reason because this wall is facing the entrance of the common bathroom. So I think you guys will also have this issue for the common bathroom, is that the WC is at this corner here and the vanity is at this corner here, right? So where to put the shower? So the shower is always at this corner, okay, because the original mixer tap is there. So, right, this is what you can do is to do a diagonal door entrance to the shower area. Okay, this door, right, if space allows, you can swing in, right? If not, right, you will have to swing out. Okay, just swing out this way. So this master bathroom wall and floor tiles have been overlaid. So I've only overlaid this wall that is facing the entrance, because of the not so nice original HDB wall tiles, right? Like a pattern tile along the shower area here. So, right, just overlay this wall. Right, this is the original HDB wall tiles, the white ceramic tiles. So it still blends in quite nicely with the wall tiles here, and also the wood textured floor tiles. Okay, this is the shower area. So there's a slight little step down to the shower area. So instead of doing a shower curb, right, I did a step down. I think it's safer, okay, so you won't trip over when you walk across it. This is the floor track that I mentioned in my previous video. So this is a 6-inch, and at the shower it's a 4-inch. Okay, hi guys. Okay, let's take a look at the carpentry works. It's just been delivered, but it's still in the process of installation. So let's take a look at the kitchen first. Right, so the base cabinet is a full height cabinet there where there's a slot for a conventional oven. This whole corner will be covered up with cabinet as well, with some open shelving here. This part here will be for the fridge. Okay, this is where the shoe cabinet sits. Right, this is the side of the shoe cabinet. That's the little niche right in front. Right, so there's a doorbell. It's a doorbell wiring. So this doorbell wiring can be actually accessed or installed at the side here. Okay. You can take one thing to take note of is the power point of the fridge. Okay, a lot of homeowners would want to install the power point on the wall itself, right? Expose the power point on the wall. Right, my way is to keep the power point inside the top cabinet if you have a top cabinet. Then at the bottom of the cabinet, right, make a grommet hole. So let the plug go underneath into the cabinet and plug inside the cabinet. So that leaves the wall flat, right? So that the plug and the power point does not protrude too much, in which you can't push the fridge against the wall. So this is the sink floor track. So a lot of carpenters will just cut an opening here, and then this panel they just throw it away, and they'll cover up with a very thin, like a 5 mm thick plywood. It's not wrong, okay. I mean, it doesn't look so nice because it looks unfinished, because you see the thickness of the 5 mm plywood just covering up this floor track hole. So what I've instructed my carpenter to do is to use this panel back and then do a L channel around it, right, so that it looks more finished. When you cover it up like this, right, you see a nice metal trimming or the L channel around it, right, so it looks more finished this way. I'll show this to you in my next video. So this is the serving counter that's going to be placed on this concrete base. There's this wiring here, that's for the power point. So it will be inserted through the counter cabinet inside, and then run and going out to the outside there facing the dining area. Okay, so this is the shoe cabinet. Okay, the existing DB door has been removed. The two panel doors have been removed. Okay, so even the existing frame for the door also being removed. So so that we can actually do a cabinet that slots in all the way, right, and cover up this part here. So there's a false ceiling. Okay, so having this false ceiling, the top door definitely cannot be reused anymore. So this new shoe cabinet will actually protrude out all the way here. It goes up all the way, right, with new doors and the carcass. Okay, let's take a look at the uninstalled carpentry works. Right, normally when you see all these frames and carcass and laminates, normally you will know where they are going to install, right? Honestly, sometimes I'm also confused where are they going to be installed, right? Until I really find out, you know, the material used, the size and everything, then I'll know roughly, right? But anyway, right, these are the carcass for the wall mount kitchen cabinet. Right, this is the corner open shelf of the kitchen cabinet. Let's see here. This one should be the carcass of the kitchen cabinet as well. Okay, so this dark laminate here, you can see the fluted panel here and here. Okay, this is for the TV feature wall. Okay, fluted panel, this is laminate. The aging is ABS aging, so it gives a very seamless joint here. You don't see any black line. Okay, this panel here is a bit distressed, aged laminate. Right, very nice wood prints. This is for the master bedroom. Okay, part of the platform. Okay, and this is the headboard. Right, so on top of the headboard there is a LED strip running across. Okay, so this is the LED strip trunking. Okay, let's take a look at the master bedroom. Right, on the left is the wardrobe. See, on the right here is another wardrobe. Okay, so the platform is here. This is where the bed is, leaning against the headboard. Some storage just in front of the mattress. So this is the laminate going to be used on the platform also. The wardrobe will be in white laminate. Okay, so over here at the window area, there will be like a dresser table that's facing the window. So that leaves a good walking space from this wardrobe here to this wardrobe. This wardrobe is supposed to be here. So there's a walking space of about 900, which is quite comfortable. Right, so there's a step up to the platform. Nice aged wood laminate with a bit of texture.